What's the electron configuration of chlorine? Here's a flash revision guide, the electron structure. The electrons in atoms exist at specific distances from the nucleus known as energy levels or shells. But each energy level can only hold a specific number of electrons. The first shell is the innermost energy level with the lowest amount of energy and can only hold 2 electrons. The second and third are further out and they can each only hold 8 electrons. The electrons in an atom only occupy the lowest available energy levels, which are the innermost ones. So once the very inner shell is full with 2 electrons, the next lowest energy level is filled until it becomes full. You keep filling these shells up until you have used all the electrons that exist for that atom. This means you can work out the electron structure of an element just by knowing the number of electrons it has. So if we looked at chlorine as an example, we can see it has an atomic number of 17, which means in an atom of chlorine there are 17 electrons. So to find the electron structure, you need to add the 17 electrons to the innermost shells, making sure not to add more than they can hold. So you first start off by filling the innermost shell with 2 electrons, which makes that shell full. You then need to add 8 electrons to the next shell, and as there are 7 electrons left, you can add them all to the third shell, as the maximum that it can hold is 8. The electron configuration for chlorine is therefore said to be 287.